What's up, guys? Back with another one. So I'm gonna do probably a little bit of recording on this job. So I figured I'd just do an intro right here on my way to the job. Business has been a little overwhelming. Usually is because I'm an owner operator. So in summer times it just gets crazy, and you spread yourself out really thin as an owner operator. All right. So luckily I do have help, so it makes it easier. But I am looking to get somebody on the van and hire some additional help as far as sales and stuff like that. So right now I'm on my way to do 3 bedrooms, I think a rug and a couple armchairs. All right. So let's go. All right, already vacuumed, didn't record it. You've seen people vacuum before, right? All right, so walk through, vacuumed, and I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to pre-spray and agitate the furniture. I'm gonna do the furniture first because I moved the chairs right on top of the rug and the carpet, because I'm gonna be cleaning that anyway. So I need to put down a bunch of tarping and stuff like that. So I'll go ahead and knock these chairs out. So very soiled on the arms. Arms on these gray chairs are very soiled. So making sure I get plenty of pre-spray on there and agitate. This chair, the customer had zero hope in it. It looks worn. Right there, I'm spraying right there. It's very soiled, dark. In the back of the head, right there, grease, right, from oil from the hair and stuff. Oil from hair. Unless they're putting grease in the hair like the 50s. Anyway, so yeah, just never been cleaned this chair. And when they showed me it, he was like, things, we're probably going to get rid of it. So we're going to see how well we can get it. I'm using the same type of cleaning solution on the upholstery and the carpet and the rug. So you'll notice if you're doing a lot of upholstery or you just got started doing upholstery, around those edges, those corners, they're the toughest part, especially when you're extracting. So you kind of have to really block off part of your extraction tool so you can get good vacuum and rinse on those corners. It's tough. And if this was white, it's even tougher. So those corners are very, very soiled on these. So I'm making sure I get plenty of pre-spray and agitation so it breaks it up really well. That way when I go across with my extraction tool, it rinses out easy. So we'll see how it turns out. Hey, have you subscribed yet? Yeah, just reach right down there, hit subscribe, hit that bell for when I have a new video. You're going to be notified. All right, so if you like this cleaning type of carpet cleaning, if you're starting your own business, videos like what I show you on my channel or what you're gonna start binge watching once you see one of them, because I give you a lot of information, because I put my motivation or my headspace in people that are just starting out. So all the questions I had when I first started out carpet cleaning, just little questions that other guys aren't talking about. I talk about a lot about that stuff in my YouTube channel here, Green Rhino Project. I also have my school, so no, don't forget about that. I teach you everything else. So yeah, really agitating here and getting some real good pre-spray in here. That looks like it's gonna rinse out pretty well. Yeah, this chair's gonna come out a lot better than the customer was thinking. This chair's done. Arms on this one wasn't as bad as the other one, but you can still see the difference. All right, so I'm just using a broom scrubber here to agitate. Carpet's really not bad at all, so no need to bring out the CRB on every job. This is something that people do and wondering why it takes them so long, because really you don't need to do certain things sometimes. So figuring it out, right? If the customer just vacuum and they have a decent vacuum, then don't vacuum. If you don't have like heavy soiled areas, you probably don't need the CRV. So just kind of go through in and out the doors and in front of chairs and stuff like that. Break it up a little bit with the scrubber. Those are for underneath the legs of this thing when this carpet's wet. I don't want to put wood down there. And this is organic, so this peroxide-based product there, agitated in, should magic erase any organic stain, coffee, urine, water. That's melted fiber. It's like iron. That one over there is perfectly shaped like an iron. Didn't look dirty, did it? What a difference. Customer's adding another rug from the guest house over there. She can put that out front. I'm gonna just knock that out real quick. All right, I already vacuumed it, pre-sprayed it. Do some agitation. If you're doing rugs, one of these is the must-have. Very rarely do I use CRB on rugs. Why? Because some of them are thin and we can bind it up really easy. This is wool. So I did turn my heat off for wool. When I do upholstery, I don't use heat either. It fell off the stairs. All right, guys, all wrapped up, loaded up. Job took an hour and a half.